Good morning. I'm in Sydney. I've been with my parents for 3 weeks and they just left. So I'm officially alone, solo traveling for the first time. Yeah, when I'm not alone, I don't really film that much, but I took a few shots on my iPhone. So I will do a little montage now of the last few weeks of my life since I came from Singapore.
It's 29 degrees. It's much less humid than in Singapore, and I feel like I finally rested well last night, so I actually feel like I am living this day. In Singapore, I think I was still feeling very jet lagged and confused the whole time, and it kind of just seems like one long memory. No sleeping, no stopping. It's just like all jumbled up in my brain. The time difference is 11 hours from home, so it feels like my whole life has been inverted, flipped upside down, thrown off a cliff. Like,
não é só na vida que a vida não é na janela que se olha. Há uma linha clara perto da saída. Fecha os olhos e você vai ver. Não é só aqui que sol ilumina. Coisas do além que vão além. Quando de repente
Italy
coincidência, nem precisa se esforçar pra crer. Apagaram as luzes pra eu ver. Saí da onde vim pra eu poder ser. Você mostrou o caminho pra eu andar. Eu disse é pelo mar que eu vou nadar. Não é só na vida que a vida não é na janela que se olha.
Earlier because of the
and then they put it out. It's fresh.
warm.
It's fresh.
It is sweet. It's sweet. With like sugar. Thank you.
That's really good. Oh, look at that.
This motherfucker's strong.
Okay, wait. I've never seen this one before. Then I got these two because they were on sale.
What flavours are they?
I don't know.
I'll let the hurry go up and down here a few times. There's a tree down at the other end too, you just have to duck to go under it, just watch your back.
Okay, thank you.
I hope you can see me because the light is kind of like behind me. But I'm on a walk. I'm on my way to Manly Beach from Spitzbridge, which is like 10 kilometers. I'm only 2.3 miles in and I literally don't know how many kilometers that is. Maybe like 4. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. We had some rain a few days ago and so it's kind of muddy, but it's not too bad. I am here with all of the bearded dragons and spiders and wasps and ants, so it's kind of a bit scary at times, but nothing dangerous yet, so it's fine. Gonna keep going, keep filming things if I see them, but just trying to enjoy my day, have a nice little walk alone. I've been with my parents and so I feel kind of awkward trying to film stuff when I'm with them, so and now we're here. It's 8 a.m. actually. I thought it was earlier than that, but I just showered and got dressed and ready for the day. I would like to go to the shop. I just want to buy some eggs and some yogurt and some fruit, and I just like need a meal cooked by me. I know this sounds silly, but I've not really been looking after myself since I've been here, and my diet has been especially bad, like several coffees a day, 3 or 4 coffees and strong ones, and a lot of ice cream like Magnums and fro-yo, and that's basically it. It was just like not a good time for my poor stomach. I know having a lot of protein before any caffeine and also not immediately going on your phone after you wake up are both things that can help if you're a little bit uneasy or stressed out. So yeah, let's go to the shop. Got my eggs with tomatoes and spinach, and my Greek yogurt with strawberries and cinnamon. Here is my balcony. This is where I've been sleeping. The little kitchen, bathroom in here. This was my parents' room. They're gone now, so I feel like it would be more of an effort to move to sleep in this room than it would be to just keep sleeping on the sofa for 2 nights. So this room will stay empty. But yeah, that's it. That's the flat.
Can I get your name?
Leia.
Leah.
Thank you.
This is my favourite. what is on in the cinema. Good morning. It's my final day in Sydney. It's about 9 a.m. I just spent the morning tidying, took out the rubbish, did the dishes, did my final clothes wash before I pack up to go to Korea. Honestly, I was kind of worried how I'd pass the time in Sydney because I was here for so long. It kind of did just pass me by without me realising. I don't know, it feels like I've kind of had a big break from YouTube, and also every time I do sit down to film something here, I'm living in this Airbnb next to this alley and it's so loud. There's always trucks coming and going, bin trucks, food delivery trucks, and also I'm on the flight path. I'm like 20 minutes from the airport, so it's really loud. Every morning, like 5 a.m, 6 a.m, 7 a.m, I'm just constantly getting woken up by the trucks right outside my window, but I don't want to complain. It's been a really nice time, and yeah, I feel like I'm just trying to give an excuse as to why I've not really filmed much, but I don't know. Why do I need an excuse? Doesn't really matter, does it? Honestly, I've been trying to not spend much money here. One, because I'm worried I won't be able to afford the next month of travelling, but also number two, because I don't have enough room in my suitcase and I'm not sure if I'll buy another one for souvenirs and stuff. Oh, that's another thing, the birds here are so loud. But I have bought two things. I got a little smisky, and then I also got a Sunny Angel baby. It's a little pig that you stick to your phone or something. So the front is like that, and then this is the back. But I've not stuck it on yet because I want to change my phone case. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got. I also got this bag. It's like a tote with a zip. It holds a lot, but the actual opening isn't that big. And then you can adjust the straps. I got this in Newtown. I'll put the location on the screen. But yeah, today I just kind of want to take it slow. I feel like I've seen all the things you have to see. I've gone on a lot of hikes, a lot of walks. I've gone swimming, I've gone shopping. So today I just kind of want to relax. I had a really yummy yogurt rice drink yesterday, which sounds kind of confusing. It's kind of hard to imagine what it will taste like before you try it. I was kind of thinking it would be quite sweet, like a milk tea almost, but when I actually drank it, it has a very strong, like, natural Greek yogurt taste to it. And then there's pieces of rice in there, which are really nice and chewy. You don't have to get it with rice. They also do an oat one, and they also have ones with fruit, like a strawberry one. So I'm gonna go back today, and I don't know which one I'm gonna get, because I'm worried I'll get one and it won't be as good as the purple rice one and I'll be disappointed. And I also want to get fro-yo because I love fro-yo. I've been having fro-yo every day. There goes another plane. It's every few minutes really, because like they are coming in and departing all the time. So yeah, plans today: take my journal take my headphones, buy lots of cute little foods and fro-yo and yogurt drinks. I've also seen a stall that sells mochi donuts. So today we're going on a little food tour, but also just like chilling. Like I'm gonna go to the park and read my book. I have 4 books on my phone that I'm reading, all kind of like at once. But at least I'll be entertained on my flight. So I'm flying tomorrow at, I actually don't know what time my flight is, but it's in the morning. It's the longest flight I've ever been on. It's 10.5 hours, just non-stop, which is kind of wild. Best believe I'll also be having some mango juice because I was having so much mango juice on my flight to Singapore and it was absolutely amazing. Anyway, I'm yapping now. I need to go start my day. Time is of the essence. Okay, it's 2 p.m. Not gonna lie, I'm feeling kind of sleepy. I went out, I got my yogurt. I was sat there waiting for them to open because they didn't open until 11, so I was like 20 minutes early. So I just sat there and waited and I got the strawberry one. And then I walked around for a bit, I did some shopping. I don't know the brands here, so I thought I'd come across like a small business, like a local brand. And then I was checking out and she was like, do you want to sign up for the loyalty program? And it was owned by this large company that has like 5 different brands that all kind of sell the same thing. And I was like, oh, I don't really buy clothes that are new very often, but if I'm buying it from a small business, I kind of like let it slide. But then I realized I was actually just buying from a chain and I'm just completely unaware. But I'll show you what I got. The brand is called Super. I don't know. I got 2 tops. It's like a little slinky off the shoulder. I did try this on in the next size up, but there was just way too much fabric, so this one's just a little bit small, but it's okay. I know though that in Korea and Japan it's kind of like taboo to show your shoulders, so I don't know why I got this, but And I also got this really cute, comfy, kind of wide neck. Ta-da! Usually I don't like tops like this because I get cold, like the back of my neck, but it actually goes up at the back, so I really like that. The material is really soft and fuzzy, so I thought I would wear this to my flight tomorrow. 10.5 hours. I know I keep going on about it, but I can't believe it's that long in one place. I feel like at least it will force me to do all the things I've been procrastinating, because it's just going to be me on a plane for 10.5 hours with my thoughts. I'm meeting my brother and his girlfriend in a few hours. We're going to this Japanese restaurant that has a lot of vegetarian options, so I'm excited for that, and luckily they go to bed quite early and wake up early, so we're eating at like 5:30 p.m. Okay, time to pack and stuff.